Hello everyone, welcome to Power BI Helpline YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about unmapped entries in the fact tables. Due to which, we see a blank in our visuals and it's really not a good experience for the end user's perspective. Let's check it out how we are going to handle such issues in our Power BI data model. In this particular example, as you can see, we are getting a blank row item under our top 5 customers name category. This is basically happening because in our sales table we may have new customers which are not available in our customer dimension table. In this model, we have connected customer name of customer table to customer's name of the sales table. It is a best practice to have dimension tables in your model to filter the fact table, so that you will try to keep minimum row by row iterations on your fact table inside expressions. This is our fact sales table, and here we have the customers table with customer's name and other informations about the customers. This dimension was maintained separately, and we regularly need to maintain this with new informations, and if not maintained we will see all the new customers transactions are showing under a blank category. Let's do some work around till then this table is not being updated properly. This is our customers table. Let's add an extra item here, called New Customers Group. Refreshing the dataset so that we will have the newly added item New Customer Group in our dimension table. Now, let's add a calculated column in sales table with lookup value DAX function, so that all the not available new customers will automatically map to New Customers Group which we added. Till the time our dimension is not being updated, we will see all those customers' names under New Customers Group. Basically using lookup value function, we are checking if the customer name is already available in customers table or not. If not available we will map it to New Customers Group. We now have mapped all unmapped customers to New Customers Group. Let's now modify the current relationship between sales and customers tables. We will change the connection from customer's name of the sales table to this newly created column, so both customers and sales tables customers name column will have New Customers Group item which we added. Now you can see, we no longer have that blank category, and we have a New Customers Group. It is recommended to regularly update such dimensions tables, so that you don't need to see this item for a long time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more such interesting topics about Power BI.